My name's Carlos and we're at 2305 Enterprise Way in Kelowna, across from the mall. My experience in auto repair started when I was 18. I was pumping gas at a gas station and was offered an apprenticeship. Always had a passion for cars and trucks. Being that you're young and can't afford much, you had to learn how to work on them to keep them moving. We have an incredible shop here. We have a 5-bay shop with a large enough hoist to fit a 28-foot motorhome. We have a 2-bay drive-through lube bay. And on top of that, we have advanced diagnostic equipment. We can program keys. We can program your transmission control module. We offer almost every service you can have for a vehicle, from fluid flush, transmission service, differential service, drivetrain and suspension, diagnostics, air conditioning, alignments, tires, pretty much everything your vehicle needs to run safe. We got an amazing group here. We have a really good facility. We're centrally located. We have parking, and we want to solve problems. We want to look after your vehicle. Budget, budget, budget.